This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the objective so every choice supports one measurable result. Once done, pick the platform that matches your audience and set a clear daily budget. Small tests work. Next, build 3 audience segments with location, age, and interests so you can compare performance. Then prepare 2-3 creative concepts and short headlines to test. Make sure to attach a tracking pixel or conversion tag before launching so data flows into analytics. Now assemble ads and experiment. Upload 3 creative types and run a /B tests on headlines and CTAs. Once live, monitor early metrics like CTR and CPC. If CTR drops, swap creative fast. Adjust bids and schedules to concentrate spend during peak hours and use automated rules for scale. Simultaneously, optimize the landing page for a single CTA, minimal form fields, and fast load times to preserve conversion intent. Keep a control variant so you always compare new changes against baseline performance. Finish by scaling your best-performing ads gradually, increasing budget by 20 to 30% per week while watching CPA and ROAS to avoid overspend. Once scaled, standardize reporting, log CPA, ROAS, CTR, and conversion rate so decisions stay data-driven. Refresh creative every 2 to 4 weeks to prevent fatigue. If issues arise, troubleshoot the pixel and conversion events first. Then check for policy disapprovals and audience overlap. And make sure landing pages aren't blocked by errors or slow hosting, which kills conversions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.